Hey guys, it's Timo from DemoStech, and today we're checking the Xiaomi Mi Smart Scale 2. Let's begin with the Xiaomi Mi Scale and unbox this thing. Honestly, I grabbed it again from that local app for free, just for doing some sort of exercise. Yeah, so we have a small guide. I hope we won't need it. Let's see how we... Pretty nice unboxing, I'd say. I mean, it's kind of green packaging, I'd say. Okay, so we do have a scale here. Yeah, it feels nice. Oh, we have some more guides here. This time on English. I was afraid that we only have on Hebrew, but no, we have on English as well. That's quite good. Let's put away the box. Let's put away the manuals, though I think those we will need. And let's look at the scale. Oh wow, honestly, that looks really beautiful, I'd say. Not really sure if I... Nope. Yeah. I honestly have no idea how to use them or anything. Let's see if we have any batteries here or something. Looks like we do. Yeah, we have some sort of sticker here. And, oh, it's 3 AAA batteries. Well, thankfully I should have few. So, there was some day that I decided to order quite a few of those sort of Analoop Pro batteries. Yeah, it's hard to see, but yeah. So, let's put them. I think it should start right now. I hope they do have some juice in them. Yeah, seems like it's sort of booting. Yeah. I mean, we do have here sort of, I don't know, something. Honestly, I have no idea how to use them. If you are supposed to step on them or... Oh, okay. So, we have a scale here. And yeah, it will be quite hard to show, but let's try to put something on it. So, I do have here just my GoPro. Let's see if it will recognize it. You need to press about 200 grams or so. Seems legit, I guess. My phone should be around the same, I think. 250, I'm not really sure that that's correct, but yeah. That's pretty much... Now, if I press on it... Now, I'm guessing it's in kilos, I'm not fully sure. Let's grab the manual and see what we can find. So, according to the guide, we do need to download the Mi Fit app, which I'm doing on my phone right now. And pretty much if you already have any Mi Smart device like that Xiaomi Mi Smart Band that I had, so you should already have a Mi Fit Band already as well. Right now I'm getting it on my phone and signing in and everything. Yes, we are ready. I honestly have no idea if we should just press on it or... Okay. And I honestly have no idea how do we add a device or whatever. Oh, okay. We have a scale here to add. Honestly, first time I'm trying to add it. Step on the scale. Okay. Oh, it's already... Oh, great. Place the scale on a flat surface. Okay, yeah, but... Oh, you do need to be standing or something, I guess. Okay, it does measure the same pretty much thing, so... I'm not fully sure. Don't pair, keep your phone okay, that's strange. I guess we do need to press... Let's press a little maybe. Okay, that's bearing, or at least it looks like that. Yep, paired successfully. Okay, so, unit of weight we have here. So that should stay in kilos, at least for me. Mesh duplicate records, I'm not fully sure. Weight small objects, that's cool. Learn more about Mi Smart Scale 2. Clear data, firmware version. I just wonder, do we have firmware updates for that? Seems like it is possible, I'm not really sure. Anyways, that's Mi Smart Scale, we can rename it. And I guess we can just pretty much weight objects here. And as far as I understood, we just press. Well, I guess we need to do some more film press. I have an idea. That should be enough, both to press and also... Nope. Yeah. Okay. And we seem to have it both on the scale and on the phone. That's quite cool. I mean, you do know that you are scaling, and I want to try to scale myself now, but we will do that in a moment. Anyways, it's really easy to pair and everything, so I guess that's quite a good thing. It's a simple device, but it works really well. So in the manual we do have some indicators in terms of low battery. In case it will have low battery, it will show us an L, or an overload OL if it's something above 150 kg. Let's hope nobody reaches that here. We can select the unit, as I said, and it's really easy to do from the phone. We have some specifications actually, so I don't know, let's try to zoom in on those specifications just in case any of you want to know them. Trying to really grab the, yeah, I guess you can see them right now. So those are the specifications, and I guess that's pretty much it. It's a different language now. So very easy but convenient scale, and actually it's quite good. I do like it. So before we finish the video, let me scale myself. Don't judge me, I don't weigh that much. I'm only 1.6 meters tall, so don't judge me. Okay, so I'm going to try and stand, it's not exactly the perfect position here for the camera and everything, but let's try and see how much we weigh on a regular scale. It weighs 61.1 kilos. And now let's try the new Xiaomi Mi Smart Scale. 61.25. Well, I gained some fat from this to this, but I guess it's almost accurate, hopefully. Thank you for watching this Dinos Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.